Good morning, student. I, Himanshu Sriya, Jyoti Vidyapit, Women's University. Today I will discuss topic of element of information. What do you mean by information? Information is associated with the data as data represents value attributed to parameter and information is data in context and with the meaning attached. In terms of communication, information is expressed either as the content of a message or through direct or indirect observation. The definition of information is news or knowledge received or given. An example of information is what's given to someone who asked for background about something. Importance of the information. Information is all around us and next to matter and energy. It is the most important and common entity in the world. It moves the world. For an animal, it is the product of being conscious. It is from through sense perception in the brain but need a physical media for its recording and communication. Use of the information use is concerned with understanding what information source people choose and the way in which people apply information to make sense of their lives and situation. Information is defined as data drawn from all five senses and thought. It is used by people to make sense of the world. Why we have used information? We are constantly improving the way we are use information and evidence. The most important way we use information in our works are we gather and analyze information when services registers through continual monitoring and when we inspect them and we listen to our views and experiences of care. Next is what is the type of information. There are various type of information system. For example, transaction processing system, decision support system, knowledge management system, learning management system, database management system, and office information system. What is data? Data is any collection of numbers, characters, or other symbols that has been coded into a format that can be input into a computer and proceed. Data is own has no meaning or context. It is only after processing by a computer that data takes on a context and become information. What is the relation between data and information? Both are same and both are differ. What are the main difference between data and information? Data are simply fact or figures. It means bit of information, but not information itself. When data are proceed, interpreted, organized, structured, presented so as to make them meaningful or useful, they are called information. Information provide context for data. This is the information. It means we conclude the basic of information, definition of information, what is the information, what is the data, cycle of information. Information is organized or classified data which has some meaningful, useful for receiver. Information is the processing data on which decision and action are based. For the decision to be meaningful, the processed data must qualify for the following characteristics. First one is timely, second one is accuracy, and third one is completeness. Timely. Information should be available when required. Accuracy. Information should be accurate. And completeness. Information should be complete. And the process of the information in parts of 3 cycles. First cycle is input, second cycle is processing, and third cycle is output. In the first cycle, in the first step, the input data is prepared in some convenient for processing. The form will depend on the processing machine. For example, when electronic computers are used, the data can be recorded on any one of the several type of input medium such as magnetic tape, disk, and so on. Second step is processing. In this step, the input data is changed to process data in a more useful form. For example, paychecks can be calculated from the time records, or a summary of sales of the month can be calculated from the sales order. And last one is output, third stage of the cycle. At this stage, the result of the processing step is collected. The particular form of the output data depend on the use of the data. For example, output data may be paychecks for the employee. So it means there are 3 cycles and 3 steps: input, processing, and output. First one is input, second is processing, third one is output. Thank you so much.